Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to walk you through an essential PC maintenance process, cleaning up your system to improve performance and speed. Over time, your PC can accumulate a lot of unnecessary files that can slow it down, but with a few simple steps, you can clear them and get your computer running like new. We'll be using built-in tools and commands, no third-party software required. So let's get started. Cleaning the temp folder. First, let's start by cleaning out the temp folder. These are temporary files created by applications and Windows to store information temporarily. While they are useful at times, they tend to accumulate and take up a lot of space. To clean the temp folder, press Windows R to open the Run dialog box, then type temp and press Enter. This will open the temp folder, where you'll see a list of temporary files. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl-A, then press Delete to remove them. If you receive a prompt asking you to skip certain files, simply click Skip. These files are generally safe to delete, but if you're unsure about anything, you can leave them. Cleaning the %temp% folder. Next, let's clean the %temp% folder. This is another location where temporary files are stored, but they're not always visible in the usual temp folder. To clean the %temp% folder, press Windows R again to open the Run dialog box, type %temp%, press Enter. You'll see a list of temporary files stored in this folder. Similar to the previous step, select all the files by pressing Ctrl-A, and then press Delete to remove them. If any files are in use and can't be deleted, just click Skip. These files can be removed later when no programs are using them. Cleaning this folder will help free up additional space on your drive. Cleaning the prefetch folder. Now, let's move on to the prefetch folder. Prefetch files are created by Windows to speed up the launch of programs. However, over time these can pile up and slow down your system. To clean the prefetch folder, press Windows R to open the Run dialog again, then type prefetch and press Enter. This will open the prefetch folder, where you'll see a list of files. Select all the files in this folder by pressing Ctrl-A, and then press Delete. If a file cannot be deleted, click Skip. The prefetch folder stores temporary files for faster access, but cleaning it won't affect system performance. In the long term, it will just remove unnecessary clutter. Creating an all-in-one cleanup batch file. Now, let's take this a step further and create an all-in-one cleanup batch file. This file will allow you to clean the temp% and prefetch folders with a single click. We'll be using Notepad to create a simple batch script that will automate the cleanup process. To begin, open Notepad by searching for it in the Start menu or pressing Windows R, typing Notepad and pressing Enter. In Notepad, paste the following code. Once you've pasted the code, save the file as a .bat file. Name the file something like cleanup.bat and ensure it has the .bat extension. Now, to run the batch file, navigate to where you saved cleanup.bat and double-click it to run the script. The batch file will automatically clean the temp% and prefetch folders. You'll see a confirmation message in the command prompt window saying PC cleanup complete. If you want to ensure full access for deleting files, you can also right-click the batch file and choose Run as administrator. That's it. These simple steps should help you clean up unnecessary files and boost your PC's performance. Regular maintenance like this is essential for keeping your system running smoothly and ensuring that you don't waste valuable storage space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, good luck and peace.